Intro to Market Failures. Throughout the course, we've discussed the difference between the command economy and the market economy. You remember we did that way back in the first week. And we also discussed how the market economy does a better job of deciding what to produce because of the principle of consumer sovereignty. And how, at least in perfect competition, markets will maximize efficiency in the long run. Now we'll begin to look at some discussions of what are called market imperfections or market failures. These are characteristics of certain markets, certain goods, or certain productive processes that lead to an equilibrium outcome that is not optimal for society. In many of these cases, too little of a good may be produced or consumed, even in long-run equilibrium, or perhaps too much. We're going to look at several different types of market imperfections: externalities, public goods, information asymmetries, and then we're going to come back to imperfect competition and talk about oligopoly, tie it to our previous discussions of monopoly and monopolistic competition, and mention a little bit about antitrust law. When imperfections of these type exist, there may be a reason for the government to intervene in the market. So there'll also be a lot of discussion of various types of policy on the next couple lectures: environmental laws and regulations, consumer protection laws and regulations, and antitrust. Government, in these cases, the government helps undo the effects of market imperfections so that the outcome in any market can come as close to the perfectly competitive solution as possible. In the next section of the course, we'll begin with a discussion of the externalities.